Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide to honest, insightful reviews. Today, we're bringing you the best LC401 ink cartridge pack for Brother printers. The Brother Genuine LC401 Standard Yield 3-pack. If you're searching for quality, reliability, and consistent print performance, this is your answer. Let's begin with what you're getting in the box. The LC401 3PK pack includes 3 standard yield color ink cartridges, one each of cyan, magenta, and yellow. Designed specifically for Brother inkjet printers, these cartridges deliver approximately 200 pages per cartridge. Now, while that might sound like a modest number, Brother's ink formulation ensures every one of those pages is crisp, colorful, and consistent. Just what you'd expect from a genuine OEM cartridge. So, what makes this cartridge set stand out in a crowded market of third-party replacements? It's all about integration. These cartridges are engineered to work flawlessly with Brother's MFC series inkjet printers. When installed, they sync effortlessly with the printer's ink monitoring system. That means more accurate readings, less guesswork, and fewer print interruptions. One of the biggest selling points is Brother's genuine ink reliability. You're not just paying for ink, you're paying for peace of mind. These cartridges offer reliable, high-quality output without the risk of clogging printheads or triggering error messages, which can often happen with third-party alternatives. And if vibrant color is what you need, Brother's proprietary ink formulation gives you just that: rich tones, clean transitions, and images that pop. Another thoughtful touch is the brand's commitment to environmentally responsible cartridge disposal. Brother has made it easy for customers to recycle their used cartridges through their designated recycling program. So you're not just taking care of your printing needs, you're also making a small positive impact on the environment. As for cost, the LC401 3-pack is priced at $28.49, which breaks down to just about $9.50 per cartridge. It may not be the cheapest on the market, especially when compared to off-brand options, but remember, with genuine Brother cartridges, you're avoiding potential issues that could lead to reprints or even printer damage, which could end up costing you more in the long run. To sum it up, if you're using a compatible Brother MFC printer and want quality you can trust, the LC401 Standard Yield 3-pack is the smart buy. You're getting seamless compatibility, dependable performance, vibrant color output, and a commitment to sustainability, all in one neat package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you decide, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more no-nonsense product insights, and drop a comment if there's a product you want us to test next. Happy printing!